bin drain on my ice machine. You can see it's all water. Machine's turned off. If you look down here, let me restart the camera. Ice booger. Look at that thing. Whoa. Let's give it a finger bang. Nasty. Nasty ice boogie. Winner, chicken dinner. Ice boogie. Oh, madness. So we gotta drain this whole bin back down, and then we can turn the machine back on and get the machine working. And for you new guys, that's the old plug bin drain on your ice maker. Very common service call. Whew, now I gotta go pee. Get the drain unclogged and stuff. Go ahead and clean your air filter if it's self-contained while you're out here. See if it needs a cleaning, and then make sure you check a batch of ice. I'm in defrost right now, or harvest, and we'll see how our ice looks. We're coming up to changing out our water filter. I think they have me do it once a year in April, and it's time. And there we go. Just drop the batch. We're in good shape. Just shake your rope.